Namaste, dear student. Today we are in second unit. Today is day 6, and dear student of class 7, we discuss today the chapter force and motion. So firstly, we will discuss about force and what is formula of force and the unit of force and effect of force, type of force. Okay? After completion of this, we will study about the motion. So dear student, how we can define force? Firstly, we discuss about that. Force is a push or a pull exerted by a body upon the other that changes or tends to change the state of the body from rest to motion or from motion to rest. Okay? It means a force is a pull. Pull means tarnu. And push or a push. Push means takarnu. Okay? Exerted by the body to other body or upon other body, isn't it? That change or try to change the state of body means state of other body from rest to motion or motion to rest. If one body applies the if it pull means one body pull or push the another body, if the next body, suppose that body is in rest, if external force applied by the other body, then it from rest to it goes to the motion, or if that body is in motion, then it moves to the rest. Okay, then those type of pulling or pushing force is known as a what is called a force. Okay, the force is a push or pull exerted by a body upon other that changes or tend to change the state of a body from rest to motion or from motion to rest. We can say the formula of force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, or m into g, m into a, or we can say F is equal to m into g. These are applied in the different condition. In acceleration condition, it is like this: m into g, m into a. And when we calculate the force of in the condition of gravity, then we use formula F is equal to m into g, and its unit is Newton. N-E-W-T-O-N Newton. Newton means, and it is represented like this. Okay. So effects of force. Effect of force. What are the effects? Okay. Force can move an object. By force, body can move. Object can move. Force can stop a moving object. Moving object can be stopped by applying force. Force can make a moving object change its speed. Moving object, by the help of force, its speed can be changed. Either it can it moves slowly, or it can be its speed increases. Force can change the shape of an object. By applying force, the object's shape can also change. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Moving object direction also can be changed by applying force. Just example, when a cricket ball, that bowler, he used to ball to the batsman, and after getting the ball, batsman when hits the ball, and it can, according to his wish, according to the wish of batsman, direction can be changed of the ball. Okay. So are you clear? Shall I move types of force? Okay. So in standard class 7, there are six type of force. Okay. First one is pulling force, pushing force, centripetal and centrifugal force, magnetic force, gravitational force, and frictional force. We will discuss about this and how we can define what is meaning of pulling force, pushing force, and are different type of 6 type of force we will discuss here. And dear student, everybody, let's move on pulling force first. Okay. So dear student, pulling force. So how we can define pulling force? The force which pulls or tries to pull an object is called pulling force. Okay. The force which pulls or tries to pull an object is called pulling force. Just example will be clear here. Lifting water from a well. People used to lift the water, okay, by the help of bucket. Bulls pulling a cart. Bulls pulling a what? Cart, or we can better we can say rickshaw also. Rickshaw. People used to what is called that they drive a rickshaw, no? They also pull the rickshaw. That are the example. They are the examples. Pushing force, just opposite. Here is pulls or tries to pull. Here the force which pushes or tries to push an object. Example is here. Pushing car, if car is not getting start. Okay. So people used to push the car, pause, stop, etc. Okay. And a very interesting thing is centripetal force and centrifugal force. What is meaning of centripetal force and centrifugal force? First you will clear by the figure here. See once everyone, figure is clear? Okay. So this is a center. This is a center and this is a thread. Okay. This is thread and this one is a stone. This one is a stone. Tie a stone with a thread. Okay. This stone should be tied up from this thread. Move a stone around as shown in the figure by holding this point and around move the stone around it. Okay. And if the string is left, the stone moves away from us. This when it moves, the stone moves away from the earth, away from the what is called that. If the steering is left, the stone moves away from the earth. If we leave this, okay, if we left this, then stone moves away. Then the force which exerts to go the stone away from the steering or the thread, that is called a centrifugal force. That is called a centrifugal force. The force which acts toward the center. The force which acts toward the center. I have made the arrow here. It acting toward the center. This is stone. For the force which acting toward the center, this is called centripetal force. Centripetal, okay? Which force? Centripetal force. And when we left the what is called the thread, then stone is move away from. Means away. Away means I have made it clear arrow here. Centrifugal force. Are you clear? So let's define it. The force that acts toward the center and keep a body in a circular path is called centripetal force. The force that acts away from the center means away from the center is called centrifugal force. And after this we will discuss 4 number. So after this we will discuss 5 number.